हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एजुकेशन अड्डा। मैं हूं अंकिता और मेरे चैनल पे आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों के लिए डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट और लर्निंग से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे यूजफुल वीडियोस। इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर कर रही हूं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स गांधी जी के बारे में, जिसे आप ऐसे और स्पीच में यूज कर सकते हैं। गांधी जी वॉज born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchandra Gandhi and mother's name was Putli Bai. His family was Vaishya Hindu. Bapu's birthday 2nd October is commemorated in India as Gandhi Jayanti and worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. He completed his basic education in Porbandar and Rajkot in Gujarati language. In 1883, he was married to Kasturba Gandhi. The Gandhi couple had 4 sons. In 1888, he went to England for barrister degree. Then he practiced in India for 2 years, but he was not satisfied with his job. So for further practice, he went to South Africa. There, he faced discrimination by Britishers. In South Africa, Gandhiji started non-violence movement and it became successful. Gandhiji was proclaimed a national hero with lots of monuments. He returned to India on 9 January 1915. So we commemorated 9 January as National Immigrant Day. In India, Gandhiji joined National Congress Party. He made Sabarmati Ashram near Ahmedabad in Gujarat. He saw the plight of farmers. In 1917 and 1918, he started non-violence movement for farmers of Champaran and Khera. These movements became successful and people called him Mahatma and Bapu. In 1919, he participated in Khilafat movement led by Muslim community. Later, in 1919, after Jallianwala Bagh massacre, people started riots. In counterattack, British government imprisoned tens of thousands of people. Gandhiji urged the people to boycott British institutions, law and products. He encouraged the people to use spinning yarn, wheel, that is charkha, and make khadi clothes at home. Gandhiji expanded his non-violent, non-cooperation platform to include the Swadeshi policy, the boycott of foreign-made goods, especially British goods. He had to stop non-cooperation movement after Chaura Chauri Kand in 1922. Gandhiji was arrested on 10 March 1922, tried for sedition and sentenced to 6 years imprisonment. Gandhiji was released in February 1924 for an appendix operation, having served only 2 years. Then Gandhiji led Congress celebrated 26 January 1930 as India's Independence Day in Lahore. This day was commemorated by almost every other Indian organization. Gandhiji then launched a new satyagraha against the tax on salt in 1930. This was highlighted by the Salt March to Dandi from 12 March to 6 April, where together with 78 volunteers, he marched 388 kilometers from Ahmedabad to Dandi, Gujarat, to make salt himself, with the declared intention of breaking the salt laws. In 1942, he declared Quit India movement. Men, women, old, young, rich, poor, everyone participated in this movement, and on 15 August 1947, India finally got independence. 30 January 1948, Gandhiji was with his grandniece in the garden of Birla House, now Gandhi Smriti, on his way to address a prayer meeting when Nathuram Godse fired 3 bullets into his chest. The place near Yamuna River where he was cremated is the Rajghat Memorial in New Delhi. Some thoughts of Gandhiji. An eye for eye only ends up making the whole world blind. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Happiness is when what you think, what you say and what you do are in harmony. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Thank you.